Welcome to Parkhills Car Centre. So we're going to be showing you this car, which is a 2013 63 plate Vauxhall Cascada convertible. It's the elite model, so it's top of the range. It's a 2 litre cdti automatic version. Comes with full Vauxhall service history and one owner from new. It has a USB media entertainment system with Bluetooth, satellite navigation, parking sensors front and rear with rear camera aid, alloy wheels, also has heated leather interior. This car has also been AA inspected, as you can see, which means that the car will come with 12 months free AA breakdown cover, or an upgrade if you're already with the AA.